Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make glow text effect in Canva. So I'm going to show you step by step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Here if you want to give the glow effects to text, so just take the background. Okay, you can take the dark background. So go to the elements and search for like night natural. Okay, like this. Okay, just take this one. I just make it sit as a background. Okay, now add your text. Okay, I just add the text here. So now you can maximize the size if you want. Keep at middle. You can also change that font if you want. And here you can change that text letter spacing and the okay, if you have double line you can also increase the line spacing. Okay, now we have this text. Now select the text, go to the effects, and here under the effects you can choose that neo and increase the intensity, and you can also decrease the intensity. You can see this glowing effect is going okay, it's decreasing the it is increasing, it is decreasing. So just select your intensity and just release it, and now we have this glowing effects. We have another advanced option, neo lights, and some glowing effects option here. You can choose from here. Once you're done, just come back. Now if you want to create the another text, just copy it, place at okay, just replace it and just double click on it, delete it, select all, and write your next text. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.